Introducing the 2008 Dodge Ram 1500. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 330 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. All of the premium features expected of a Dodge are offered, including variably intermittent wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, a rear step bumper, front fog lights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and leather upholstery. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Call now to schedule a test drive.